Okay, welcome back, YouTube. Telling y'all I'm feeling good today. Just finished doing this little small tattoo, and while I'm waiting on the next appointment, I'm about to make a quick video for you all on the Remini app that I was telling you all about. If you need help with any low quality pictures, things like that, this app will definitely do the job. You feel me? I'm glad I came across it, so I'm going to help you all, put you all on this app, and it definitely will help you all with any low quality work, pictures y'all may need, especially if it's a portrait, something like that. It don't work 100% every time if the picture is too blurry, but if it got a little something that the app can work with, most likely it's going to save you a lot of time. So let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna start off with this picture. This is the picture that I used with the recent practice skin that I did. This picture here. So we're gonna use it and show the blurriness of the photo. And now I'm gonna switch over with the same image. Let's save it, JPEG, and save it. And now we're gonna take this over to the Remini app and put it in. You see it's blurry, just enhance it. The only thing you'll have to worry about is getting a little ad and stuff for about 30 seconds because it's free. But if you wanna pay for it, you can always pay for it. I don't ever pay for it, let it sit. Okay, our ad is on. So let's review the reward. Let's see how it works. Let me know what you all think. You see that side compared to this side? Let's zoom in a little bit more, see if you all can see that. Y'all see that side compared to this side? They got a line in the middle. You see it's all the way blurry. Come over and now you have a little clear image. Like I said, it don't catch all the details, but you see it's a lot better than what that was. I can see the nose clearly, things like that. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Hopefully you all can use this doing your tattoos or maybe just using a drawing. If you got a commission drawing, you can use it. It will definitely help you all out. Okay, y'all, let me know what y'all think. Y'all just saw the image. It really did enhance the image. It had a little blur to it, but it enhanced it where I could tell and structure, see the nose and things like that. So let me know if you all can use this in your next project that you're working on. Hopefully I can help because it definitely helps me. So I'm willing to spread any knowledge, anything that I come across with you all. This is why I'm here for you all. We trying to learn together. I'm definitely trying to grow. So hopefully you all got some tips for me as well. It's a team effort. So let's go, keep it moving. Thanks you all for watching and hope you all have a great, blessed day. And keep it moving and work hard. Let's go.